Okay, this is battle here with pjp1113. He starts out with a shiny Blissey. So, I now know that he hacks, I guess. So, it uses Sing, and somehow it's faster. And I Toxic, because Toxic is win. So now the fat thing's poisoned. Of course, like all Blissies, they're gay and they have aromatherapy. So I switch out to Metagross, and this thing actually hits. And of course, like this Bliss should have Seismic Toss. If it has a Fire Blast, I'm just gonna be pissed. But no Blishies should have a Fire Blast. I've seen one with them, but usually like Seismic Toss. So. And there it is. Yep, a Blissey with Fire Blast. So this shouldn't kill. If it does, that's gonna be gay. And I lose like a sweeper. Even though my team's made of sweepers, but doesn't kill. Metagross is being a bitch. And Toxic's just like a win. So I'm now knowing that, like, okay, Fire Blast is gonna come now. So I switched into Tyranitar, even though that wasn't a switch that I wanted, but since Blissies have very low defense, I can EQ it. Now I'm guessing this Bliss is gonna use Soft Boiled right now. But he uses Fire Blast again. The dumbass, well, whatever, isn't, I guess, good predicting switches. So the Sandstorm. So I really don't see how this Blissey is shiny. At least to me, it doesn't look shiny. So I get leftovers, win, and this goddamn thing is faster. That's gonna piss me off. I mean, really? It never draws it. The Blissey is done, because the Toxic is just gonna sends out Lucario, so that's a win on my attack. So I EQ'd, which was nice. I guess he was thinking like Stone Edge or something. And I one-hit KO'd the Lucario, so that's nice. So I have a Fast Asleep Metagross. I don't have anything that can use aromatherapy, because I don't have a Shaman. And so Tyranitar's back to full heal. I'm guessing, well, he's either going to send out something fighting or something water. But I can take down a water Pokemon. I guess this is... Okay. Weavile. So... I know... Well, Weavile's... What should I do? I'm just going to keep Tyranitar in there. Why did it... What? If it gets freeze hacks, I'm going to be so fucking pissed. Stone Edge, this should kill the Weavile. Even if it does have a Focus Sash, that would still kill due to the Sandstorm, and that's win. Now the guy said, good luck because you're gonna need it. I'm having pretty good luck so far. And so Tyranitar is probably out there sweeping. He has a Bussy that's the next turn. Toxic's gonna kill it. Unless, like, soft boiled, but whatever. Like, my team is full of sweepers. Like, this Tyranitar, it's EV trained in defense and hit points for, like, EQ and stuff. But all of its attacks are just, like, sweeping attacks. So, he brings up the Scizor. Scizors are pretty deadly because once it can do something, once it gets a Swords Dance up, it's, like, sweep. So, I'm gonna switch right now, and you might think this is stupid to send out a Rhyperior, but if you've seen my other videos, Rhyperior just sweeps. So it uses Iron Head, and that's fail for me. I should have one-hit KO the Rhyperior. That's not good for me. Well, probably bring back out Tyranitar next, unless. So at Iron Head, this should kill. When it does, that's gonna be gay. And it dies. I was gonna flamethrower it, and that almost, I know it won't kill, but it'll get pretty close. So now I have a gay Scizor to worry about, and I really don't have anything much to take it out with. And the only thing that's really super effective that I know of is Flamethrower, because that's ×4, but I don't know if, well, Stone Edge would just be regular effective. So, I'm faster, damn. And I Stone Edge. Iron Head. Now, I know Tyranitar should survive, but my luck is that Stone Edge will miss in the next turn. And like I said, I knew Tyranitar would survive, and this guy, like, well, at least with my Scizor, it has Sword Stance, U-turn, like Iron Head, but it's not trained yet. Oh, snap, I misclicked. God damn it. Shit. So I misclicked and I hit Crunch. I was gonna use T-Bolt to be safe. And he withdraws the Scizor to Skarmory. Why does he do that? Oh. Because, of course, Crunch fails, and I get defense lowered, so that's nice. So he has a Skarmory and a Bussy, what's next? Freaking Cresselia. Oh, now that I have his defense lowered, next attack, whatever it does, should kill, but I'm faster, and yes, Tyranitar. So I get the T-Bolt in, and down goes the Skarmory. So yes, Tyranitar for the win. He sends out the Bussy. That's shiny. I did it turn lighter. And it sings, it hits, that pisses me off. How is this bus so fast?